What is going on, guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make money in meme coins, because no, it's not by trading meme coins like most people do, but it's from deving the actual coins on Pump.Fun. Now this way of making money in meme coins is actually way more consistent in this market, and it's really fucking underused. A lot of KOLs and famous people are switching to deving, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works and how to get started right now. I made over $8 million all from launching meme coins, bro, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do the same in today's video, bro. Keep watching. I will be ungatekeeping the method. Now, most people do not lose money in meme coins because they misread the market or because they're just bad at it. They lose money because they try to purely trade meme coins. They buy once into a meme coin, and then when the hype is high, boom, they get completely liquidated and they lose their entire position. Guess who wins? No, not the traders, but it's the person who created the coin and that exited on everybody who wins. You guys have to realize that in 2026, okay, the devs always wins. That's why big traders and well-known KOLs are moving away from trading and they're going into launching because it's low risk and high upside. And honestly, bro, launching meme coins is way more satisfying than trading, because when you trade meme coins, your money ends up in the pockets of the devs, but when you launch your own coin, you are the one in control, and the process is really fucking simple. You deploy the token for completely free on chain, you wait for buyers and for fucking traders to buy your coin organically, and when you are happy with your profits, boom, you take it out and then you just rinse and repeat. And this is exactly how I built my entire crypto portfolio. Okay, so keep watching because I will show you how to launch your very first token and how it can turn into real fucking gains, all in today's video. Let's fucking go. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. It's all fake. I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research. Cap! Now, most people, when they want to launch a meme coin, the platform they usually consider first is Pump.Fun. Now, it is, yes, the most widely known option, so it feels like the natural choice, but that is where most people and most devs gets caught. Pump.Fun is oversaturated. New tokens go live non-stop, and most of them are almost gone instantly. If you are still launching there, bro, you are not really building, you are just launching blindly and hoping for buyers. And there's an even bigger issue. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool and takes a portion of the creator fees. So from the very beginning, you are giving up control of your own project. Now, as a dev, the real and actual goal is getting your token in front of random traders where real liquidity and real buyers exists. Now, on Pump.Fun, reaching that stage takes too long and depends way too much on luck. That's why I moved personally to create Meme.io, because this launchpad removes all of those barriers and your token launches straight onto Rhythm immediately, skipping the fucking bonding curve and reaching active traders where your coin will get a lot of fucking volume. That's exactly why this launchpad is being gatekept. Now, to make a meme coin, bro, there's two different ways to go about it. The first way is to create the coin from scratch. So find a narrative, go on X, go on Reddit, or go on Google News and look for an article, look for a viral tweet, look for something good, right? It could be a joke, I don't know, bro, just look for something, and once you have that narrative, come back to create Meme.io, invent a name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is custom made and live on the fucking blockchain. But the second method is actually my personal favorite, and it's the one that I use to make all my fucking bread, and that's the copy trending coins tab right here. Because all these coins right here are going viral on Pump.Fun, they're all proven, they all have a good narrative, and they're all getting a lot of fucking volume, which means if you copy a coin from this list right here, well, your copy is going to get a lot of fucking attraction and potentially a lot of fucking profits. That's exactly why I copy coins, in my personal opinion. Now, by the way, bro, this is not a get rich quick scheme, bro. Sometimes your coin will get like $100 of buyers, sometimes 0, sometimes 1,000, sometimes even 100,000. You never know. But anyways, now it's time for the fucking funnest part of today's video, making a coin and seeing how much we make live. So first of all, bro, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy, bro. I like to go for anything, and then I just try it out. I'm gonna copy the snowball coin. It has a last buy a couple seconds ago. Click on crit coin if you want to copy it, then ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely fucking normal. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied in a couple seconds. Just give it some time, boom. Now if I go in SoScan, you guys can see that it is live on chain. 9 seconds ago, everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy, okay? You guys will see how easy it is. We are just creating the radium liquidity pool. Now once your liquidity pool is created, it will show up right here in the migrate section, okay? Now for token A, make sure you click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. For token B right under, this is the first buy into your own coin, okay? And by the way, bro, you are not losing any money here. You will get this back later, okay? Since you are the dev and the first buyer. So once you dump the coin and you remove the liquidity later, you will get it back in your Phantom wallet. Anyways, bro, I'm gonna put 0.3 Sol for the minimum. Click on crit pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button down below, then scroll down and boom, the snowball coin is on live and your profits will show up right here. Now if you want to check your profits whenever you want, click on refresh and then it will refresh your liquidity pool and boom, we're up $130 right off the fucking bat in like under a minute. Now click on V1 Photon or Axiom or Nova, whatever the fuck you want to see your coin. Then let me go on full screen. It has to fucking load, give it some time, bro. Let's fucking go, let's fucking go. And now the coin is live. Okay, we're already up like, I would say $200, 150, 200, something like that. We're getting a lot of fucking buyers, bro. 70, 65, 45. Things are looking absolutely insane. Now, the more people who see the coin, the more buyers you are going to get. And since the coin was launched on Create Meme directly to Radium, well, a bunch of people are going to buy in, potentially, right? Come on, 2.1k market cap. Okay, someone's for 40, $80 buy right here. Let's fucking go. By the way, bro, it's all for educational purpose only, bro. Let's fucking go. $70, let's fucking go. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and when I come back, bro, we will see how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 4.3k market cap, 1.8k liquidity. Everything looks fucking good. But now, for the moment of truth, how much are we up? Come back to create meme.io real quick. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we are up $1,600 in profits with a 3.9k market cap. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, then just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, we will receive 12 Sol. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how it's done, bro. If I open my wallet for proof, okay, boom, $1,59,000 went straight into my Phantom wallet. Even though the markets are dead, we still made money with fucking deving, bro. Now, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. And if you want to win 3 Sol like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Discord and Telegram group for the entry. Peace out.